Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Natural Chemistry Defoamer Plus. What is Natural Chemistry Defoamer Plus? Natural Chemistry Defoamer Plus quickly and easily removes foam in spas and hot tubs. Just a quick squirt of product and watch as the foam disappears. Product benefits: improves filtration, compatible with all sanitizers and spa surfaces, specifically formulated for hot water, instantly controls foaming and sudsing in spas. Usage directions: this product is designed for use in properly balanced spa water. Step 1. Shake well before each use. Step 2. With the circulation system running, add 2 ounces of Defoamer Plus for every 500 gallons directly to spa water. Step 3. Repeat as necessary. Dosage: 2 ounces for every 500 gallons of spa or hot tub water. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.